Hey YouTube, Santa Frank here today, opening the last of the case of Star Wars High Tech 2017. I got this case from Blowout Cards, and it's been a really good case. A bargain for what you can get these boxes for now. So let's hope we end on a good note. There's a chance I could buy some more of this because I did not get very many duplicate autos out of this. So there's a bunch still on the checklist that I've never found. Plus, it's mega cheap. So let's see what we get here. We got Darth Maul. We got Harb Binley, Commander Praji, Senator Vasper. There's Edrio 2 Tubes, 86 out of 99. And let's just end on a nice note here. We got Darth Maul. Got Lieutenant Selfa. Ooh, that's an interesting card there. It's out of 50. Imperial TIE Fighter. That's some kind of insert. And, ooh, oh, yes. What a awesome way to end this case. Unbelievable. Anthony Daniels, C-3PO, 1 of 1. Holy cow. Did not have any Anthony Daniels autographs. And it's a 1 of 1. I don't know, is that a printing plate? Very odd looking card, but it's 1 of 1. It's a sticker, but it's Anthony Daniels, my only Anthony Daniels auto in my collection, and it is sick. Wow. Okay, great way to end that case. I'm definitely probably going to pick up another case of that because the stuff is really, really cheap. It's like 30 something dollars a box. So um, you're going to get, if you get a case, it's pretty cheap and you're guaranteed 12 autos. And you could get something sick like that. Unbelievable. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.